Learned that investigators believe that Woodland Park mom was killed by her former fiancé with a baseball bat and that he then burned her remains. Also, a nurse who pleaded guilty to helping dispose of Kelsey's cell phone may have been a lot more involved. Now, in his preliminary hearing today, her former fiancé, Patrick Frazee, showed no emotion as those sickening details emerged.
Denver 7's Jennifer Kowaleski was in the courtroom all day. She joins us now from Teller County. And Jen, finally some answers, but just so gruesome.
And Shannon, hard to hear. This case has captured the hearts of people across the country. And today those hearts were broken as we learned gruesome new details about the alleged murder of Kelsey Berreth. And we've just learned in the last 30 minutes the judge has ruled that there is enough evidence for Frazee to go to trial. A Woodland Park police commander and CBI agent both took the stand today. They testified Crystal Lee Kenny told them she tried to kill Kelsey Berreth 3 times, but couldn't go through with it. She says that's when Frazee took matters into his own hands and then called her to come clean up the mess. Kenny is a former Idaho nurse who we now know was having an intimate relationship with Frazee. She says Frazee told her he blindfolded Kelsey with a sweater to have her smell a scented candle. Once the blindfold was secure, he beat her to death with a bat. Kenny told investigators she drove from Idaho to help clean up the crime scene. She donned protective clothing and spent 3 to 4 hours cleaning up blood in Kelsey's home, a scene she described as horrific. She says Frazee put Kelsey's body in a tote and took it to a ranch in Fremont County. Kenny says she was with Frazee when he later burned her body at his Teller County property. Now, Kenny has already pleaded guilty to tampering with evidence in exchange for her testimony. She is not in custody and facing up to 3 years in jail. Now, it really was one bombshell after another in court today. The defense has tried to discredit Kenny and to paint Kelsey as someone who was dealing with depression and may have been struggling with some sort of alcohol abuse. Now, we are expecting to have another press conference with the district attorney here in the next few minutes, and we'll bring you any new information during this newscast and on our free Denver 7 app. For now, we're in Teller County. I'm Jennifer Kowaleski for Denver 7.